Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today the most wanted recipe. Guess what? Yes, chicken mandi. I am sure everyone in the family will love this simple yet flavorsome rice dish. Usually the mandi is not spicy. Mandi is originated from Yemen and famous among the whole Arabian Peninsula. So today I am going to teach you chicken mandi in 7 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1 is to roast all the spices to make Hawaii masala. I am using a pan here. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Twelve green cardamoms. 7 cloves and 1 mace. 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn. Half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon saffron. Roast it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Roast it for few seconds. Remove it immediately. Keep it in a room temperature. Now transfer all the roasted spices into a jar and grind it into a powder. Hawaii masala is ready to use. Second step is to marinate the chicken with Hawaii masala. Whole chicken washed and cut into large pieces. You can see the cuts. To marinate the chicken, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon of red color. Salt as per your taste. Now I am going to add the main ingredient. 1 tablespoon of butter and Hawaii masala 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now mix all the chicken marinade ingredients together. Keep it in the fridge for minimum 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Third step is to roast the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a tray. Apply it nicely. Preheat the oven to 180 C. Place the marinated chicken pieces on the tray. Now roast it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check on the chicken, sprinkle olive oil on it, again roast it for 10 minutes. Fourth step is to make chicken soup. Add 6 pieces of chicken bones or wings in a pan. Add 4 cups of water. Add 1 sliced onion. 1 chopped tomato. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. One teaspoon of peppercorn. Salt as per your taste. Close the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes in a slow flame, and your soup is ready to use. Fifth step is to make chicken stock. In a pressure cooker, add 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 sliced onion, 3 garlic pods, roughly chopped carrots, 4 to 5 pieces of chicken bones or wings, and some coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles. Chicken stock is ready to use. Sixth step is to make the rice. Cook the rice. Take a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. Add 3 crushed garlic pods, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 roughly chopped onion. Saute for 1 minute. Then add salt as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Hawaii masala. Adding 9 glasses of stock, chicken stock, for 6 cups of rice. Close the lid and bring it to boil. And now I am going to add 6 cups of washed and soaked basmati rice. Cook till rice is completely done. Place the roasted chicken pieces on rice. Seventh step is to give a charcoal smoke. Close the lid for 10 minutes. Carve the chicken and serve with the rice along with chicken soup or some yogurt. If you love this chicken mandi, you have to try this. It really amps up all the flavors and brings this together. This is just the best way. Make this mandi, you're gonna feel like you're winning at life. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.